Hey, you noticed there's another one parked right behind the other one. See that one? There's there, and this one's here. I was like, I guess they multiply when you get them. I know sometimes when you got Etzels over here, you got like 50 million Etzels. So I was like, wow. So this is 62. It's got the trunk open on it, or the, whatever you call it, the hood. 43 horsepower. 770, 7 miles an hour in the water, 70 miles an hour on land. I assume that little lever on the bottom is for the propeller. Let's see what we got under the hood.
Plus, if this guy here, the motor's still hot.
Yeah.
Look at the exhaust. The exhaust is
It's got to be up that high, man. You know that, man.
Keeps the hammer right
Wow.
on the battery cable.
Let's see what you got down here, man. Is that all sealed? Yeah. It's all sealed on the bottom. It had to be. It's got a ball-peen hammer in there. That's to start it up. See that hammer? That's when you smack the carburetor to get that shit going, man. You smack that carburetor to get it going. Oh, look at it. Here's your intake. So, a brake for fish. And this is...
Oh, this is one of those guys.
Yeah.
He was going through the pond. I remember Kim.
Yep. If you got rust, you got a problem. You sink.
Yeah.
Make sure you patch them rust holes up, man. Brakes for fish. That's cool. Huh. I like the ball-peen hammer, man. That's fucking wild, man. Oh, look at the horn. I just didn't notice that. The horn out there. See it? Ooga, ooga. That's the one that works. That's your backup horn. It's freaking wild. It's probably got a, I don't know if that's a boat thing on there, a boat number for Ohio or something. AmphiCar. Pretty wild, man.